I found these eyeglasses on AliExpress and thought I'd take a chance and get them. They're only about $5 or $6 for each pair, and they're actually pretty cool. Eyeglasses seem to be kind of one of those hit and miss things that it's either really cool or it's really crappy. The wired framed ones look really good on Con. They fit him pretty well. I need to adjust the earpieces a bit to get him to fit behind the ear. I was even considering poking holes in his head to get him to stay on, but that's still under consideration. The sunglasses are made out of a hard plastic type of material, and so they're not very posable. That's alright. They ship in these little plastic containers, keep them safe during shipping, and yeah, I'll probably turn those into something. I really like the metal frame ones. They're in the aviator style, and they're actually made of metal, so you can bend them, and they shape pretty well. The shades look okay on Con, although they don't fit him too well and they don't stay on his face, so they have a tendency to flop around. They fit better on Samantha. I could tuck them behind her ears and they kind of stick in her hair, so they stay on a whole lot better. I think she might have a new pair of shades to wear for her regular outfit. What do you think? Even close up, they look pretty nice. They look very realistic. They don't look cheap. It's kind of the surprising things about these is that they're actually pretty nice looking, even close up. Even though the metal ones don't have lenses. But that's alright, not a problem. Anyways, let me know what you think. You want eyeglasses for your action figures? I think they're pretty cool. Don't forget to click that like button, share this video, and collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.